Get IP address of visitors using Flask for Python. I'm making a website where users can log on and download files, using the Flask micro framework, based on werkzeug, which uses Python 2.6 in my case. I need to get the IP address of users when they log on, for logging purposes. Does anyone know how to do this? Surely there is a way to do it with Python.
See the documentation on how to access the request object and then get from the same request object the attribute remote_address. Code example. For more information, see the werkzeug documentation.
Actually, what you will find is that when simply getting the following will get you the server's address. If you want the client's IP address, then use the following.
Proxies can make this a little tricky. Make sure to check out ProxyFix, Flask docs, if you are using one. Take a look at request.environ in your particular environment. With Nginx, I will sometimes do something like this. When proxies, such as Nginx, forward addresses, they typically include the original IP somewhere in the request headers. Updates, see the Flask security implementation. Again, review the documentation about ProxyFix before implementing. Your solution may vary based on your particular environment.
The below code always gives the public IP of the client, and not a private IP behind a proxy.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.